Okay, so here's the January the 4th 5-a-day solutions for numeracy. The first question says to work out 93 subtract 35. So here we've got 93 and we're going to subtract 35. So line them up in columns like so, and let's do the subtraction. Well, 3 take away 5 we can't do, so we're going to need to borrow 1 from the 9 and call it an 8 and carry the 1 over. So we've got 13 take away 5, which is 8. Then we've got 8 take away 3, which is 5. So the answer is 58. Our next question. We've got 250, some operation, and then we've got 25. And then we've got to choose which one of these is the right option. So we can times by 10. Well, that would make, if we're timesing 250 by 10, it would make it bigger. If we multiply it by 100, it's going to get even bigger. If we divide it by 10, well, it's going to have the effect of, it's taken off a 0, so that's going to be the correct answer. If we do 250 divided by 10, it'll be 25. Next question says to work out 8 squared. Where squared means multiplied by itself, so that's 8 times 8, that's equal to 64. So the answer would be 8 squared is 64. Our next question says to work out 1.8 plus 4.3. So 1.8 plus 4.3. If we line them up like so, we can then add them up. Notice how I've lined up the decimal points and then written the numbers. So we've got 8 plus 3, and let's put a decimal point there. 8 plus 3 is 11, so let's put the 1 down and carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 1 is 6, so the answer is 6.1. Next, we now need to say what type of angle this is. Now, this is an angle. It's bigger than a right angle, but smaller than a straight line, so it's going to be an obtuse angle. Next, we've got quite a large angle. It goes actually bigger than a straight line, so that means it's going to be a reflex angle. And that's our answers for our January the 4th 5-a-day numeracy.